How to upload video on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can upload video on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your TikTok. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After that, what you can do is make sure you're on your account. Tap on the plus icon on the bottom. After you tap on it, you can then select your video from the bottom right corner or start creating a video from right here. There are different options for video as well, such as your different seconds of video, your photo or text. So I'll just tap on my gallery option right here and then select a video. So let's say I want to select this video right here, then tap on next. Now I can tap on next again, and here I can add a description. So make sure that you add a good description and also add your hashtags to increase your reach. So add your hashtags to increase your reach and stuff. And also you can make other edits if you want to, and then tap on post. So after you tap on post, your TikTok video should get posted. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.